Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to optimize your driver, your Windows 11. So just simply go over here, go to your PC and select your local disk. Right click it, go to properties, go to tools and here click on optimize. And right here optimize it. And now you just simply optimize your local disk. You can click to change settings, to change the frequency of the automatically optimization. So I personally have it on daily, but you can choose weekly or monthly. So simple as that. And you can also clean your driver or your storage. Just simply click on storage and now it is optimizing your storage right here. So simple as that. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it and I will see you in the next one. Peace.